How to file taxes on YouTube earnings on TurboTax using 1099 MISC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you have earned money from YouTube, you are likely to receive a Form 1099 MISC. The first thing you want to do is sign into your TurboTax account. Now click on the Income and Expenses section, then select Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Now here you want to enter the type of self-employment work you do. TurboTax will ask you a couple of information about your employment. Go ahead and enter those information. Now you want to select Form 1099 MISC over here and click on the Continue option. On the next page, you will have to enter all the details. So go ahead and fill up all the details here using your Form 1099 MISC. Once that is done, click on the Continue option. Now you want to review all the information you have entered. TurboTax will calculate your self-employment tax. After that, you will be able to e-file your taxes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.